friends, welcome to the nursery. I know this video is a little bit late because my kiddo is about 16 months old at this point, but we're slowly transitioning her nursery into a toddler room, a pre-toddler room. She's not fully there yet, but she is like walking around and running, and so like the nursery just doesn't, I don't know, we're having to move stuff around, and so I wanted to really just make a love story to the nursery because it was such a beautiful space and I loved it so much. It was like my favorite room in the whole house. And so I really just want to document that and to sort of show that journey. So yeah, here's the nursery, toddler room to come, pre-toddler room maybe to come. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'll show you what it looks like right now. It's interesting. It's a room. It's functional, okay? It's functional. My kiddo can play in it. At the end of the day, that's kind of all that matters. So, enjoy.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors and never respect.
Alright, hello. So today we are in Charlie's room, and it is a bittersweet day because she is officially 8 months old, and we are packing up all of the stuff that does not fit her or she doesn't use or anything like that. So yeah, it's gonna be good. We're gonna get rid of a lot of junk, keeping it for baby number 2. But anyway, yeah, we're getting new carpet put in the next couple of weeks, and so we need to sort of declutter and get stuff off the floor, out of the closets, things like that, so it's easy for her to move. So she's playing, she's so cute, she's like crawling around. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing today, and it's gonna feel so fun to get this room back to its like beautiful, perfect self once again. Like a baby doesn't live here. Charlie, you have all these toys over here, and all you wanna do is play with the diapers.
You're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Okay.
And I think to myself,
It's a lot of it.
thinking out loud,
It's over to the chair. Okay. So we've got all of this, which can go to storage. Heads up. That was louder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm so sorry. Nursing pillow. Don't need that anymore. Look at that blanket. We keep this. This is Marie. She is the best Disney princess ever. Got it? She's from the Aristocats. We will watch the movie later. We don't like real cats. We're dog people, but cartoon cats are yes. We don't use this thing anymore. We don't do tummy time anymore. I need to like deflate this, I guess. We were not a fan of this toy. A bunch of people like swear by these, put like water in them and have them play around with it. Our kid was less than impressed. Maybe the next kid will like it. Your winter coats. Do you remember? Oh no, all the breast pump stuff. Remember whenever you were a bear? And a pink bear? Nope, okay. Nope, okay.
And prove me wrong, I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back.
Okay, closet looks good. This is purple. That's okay. Okay. Breast pump. Do not play in that. She says, Mom, when you tell me not to do something, I gotta do it. Yeah. Well. Remember being a white little bear and seeing the Christmas lights? That was very cute. And maternity stuff. Oh. I feel like maternity stuff should go in a different bin. You know what? It doesn't matter. Because whenever we get pregnant again, we're going to be going through all of this stuff anyway. That is a future speaking problem. Right now, breast pump stuff, maternity stuff, it's all lying in the Charlie box. Because, whatever. Okay, we did good. We did a box. Let's get the lid. True test.
And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it's so well.
3 to 6M. I think. Oh, that's what this was. After a while, we just kind of started to shove everything in here. I think that 3 to 6M was our longest time frame that we were in. She's still kind of in 3 to 6Ms. It depends on the brand. Like the Burt's Bees brands that run really large, that we're still in 3 to 6M. Some other brands, Cloud Island, they grew out of those first. That's the smallest brand, I think. We'll just do it right. Oh no, they're not gonna fit. I mean, they're meant to curve, right? In theory, that's okay. I really don't use this thing anymore. Should we pack him? Grandma and Grandpa, maybe? It was Grandma and Grandpa's to begin with. Back them. Okay. Yeah, you just want to come over here and play with what? Your headband, my activity book, all that goes in storage. Okay, come on. It'll do it. Ugh. Oh. Oops. Okay, so maybe this blanket goes on top of everything.
So as I'm going through and I'm doing this video, it needs some of my TikToks in there because I took a lot of like vertical video with the nursery whenever it was at this stage. I didn't take a lot of horizontals. So yeah, here are some of my favorite kind of clips from my TikToks and also like from Christmas last year. Cause like it just needs it. And to like fully recap like this like love story of the nursery, I think it needs it. So enjoy some old of my TikToks. Enjoy some TikToks.